Fast and easy how to do a effect bokeh or add more blur to the back of a picture. This is gonna work better if we have like a person or something like an object like this cat. So what you're gonna do is go up, and then here you're gonna see the option background blur. And remember, this option black background blur is not always gonna be if the picture is not like the adequate. For example, this one, if I swipe up, in this case I have remastered and erase reflection. I don't know why the option of background blur didn't appear. So it's like the intelligence artificial of this phone that's gonna select what we can do better. So in this case I select background blue or bokeh effect, and here you can see how if I add more, this is the most, the background is blurred, and if I take it off, now it's normal. So you're gonna select how much background blur you want, save the picture, that's all you have to do. Remember to subscribe, comment, and give me some bucks if the video was good for you, and thank you.